Digital textbooks. Digital textbooks are becoming increasingly popular in India, with many schools and colleges adopting them as a more cost-effective and eco-friendlier alternative to traditional textbooks. With the rapid advancement of technology, digital textbooks are becoming increasingly popular in India. The use of digital textbooks in schools and colleges has been on the rise in recent years, and it has several benefits, including cost-effectiveness, environmental friendliness, and ease of access. In this script, we will explore the reasons why digital textbooks are gaining popularity in India and the advantages they offer over traditional textbooks. The rise of digital textbooks in India. Digital textbooks are rapidly gaining popularity in India, primarily due to the increased availability of technology and the internet. According to a recent study, the e-learning market in India is expected to grow to $2 billion by 2021, with digital textbooks being a significant contributor to this growth. Many schools and colleges in India are adopting digital textbooks as a more cost-effective and eco-friendlier alternative to traditional textbooks. One of the main reasons for the rise of digital textbooks in India is the affordability of technology. With the proliferation of smartphones and tablets, students can access digital textbooks on their devices, making it easy to carry their textbooks with them wherever they go. This convenience has made digital textbooks a popular choice among students who are always on the move. Another reason for the rise of digital textbooks in India is the environmental benefits they offer. Traditional textbooks are often made from paper, which is sourced from trees. With the increasing demand for textbooks, the demand for paper also increases, leading to deforestation. Digital textbooks, on the other hand, are eco-friendly, as they do not require paper and are delivered electronically, reducing the carbon footprint associated with traditional textbooks. The advantages of digital textbooks. There are several advantages to using digital textbooks in India. Here are some of the main benefits. 1. Cost-effectiveness. Digital textbooks are much cheaper than traditional textbooks, making them a more cost-effective option for students. Traditional textbooks can be expensive, especially for families with multiple children. Digital textbooks, on the other hand, are often available at a fraction of the cost of traditional textbooks, making them an affordable option for many families. 1. Convenience. Digital textbooks are incredibly convenient, as they can be accessed on any device with an internet connection. This means that students can carry their textbooks with them wherever they go, making it easy to study on the go. Additionally, digital textbooks often come with interactive features such as videos and animations, making learning more engaging and fun. 1. Customizability. Digital textbooks offer greater customizability than traditional textbooks. Students can personalize their learning experience by highlighting important passages, taking notes, and bookmarking pages. This level of customization is not possible with traditional textbooks, making digital textbooks a more versatile option for students. 1. Environmental friendliness. As mentioned earlier, digital textbooks are more eco-friendly than traditional textbooks. They do not require paper, reducing the need for deforestation. Additionally, they do not produce any waste, reducing the impact on the environment. The challenges of digital textbooks. While digital textbooks offer several advantages, they also present some challenges. Here are some of the main challenges. 1. Access to technology. Digital textbooks require access to technology, such as smartphones, tablets, or laptops. While technology is becoming increasingly affordable in India, not all students have access to these devices. This can lead to a digital divide, where students from less affluent backgrounds are unable to access digital textbooks, putting them at a disadvantage. 1. Technical issues. Digital textbooks can be prone to technical issues, such as slow internet connections, device compatibility issues, and software bugs. These technical issues can be frustrating for students and can impact their learning experience. 1. Health concerns. The prolonged use of digital devices can cause eye strain, headaches, and other health concerns. Students who use digital textbooks for extended periods may experience these health issues, which can impact their learning and overall health. 1. Digital distractions. Digital devices can also be a source of distraction, with social media, messaging apps, and other apps vying for attention. Students who use digital textbooks may be tempted to switch to other apps or websites, which can impact their concentration and productivity. Overcoming the challenges of digital textbooks. While digital textbooks present some challenges, there are ways to overcome these challenges. Here are some solutions. 1. Providing access to technology. To overcome the challenge of access to technology, schools and colleges can provide students with access to digital devices, such as laptops or tablets. Additionally, schools can offer free Wi-Fi access on campus to ensure that all students can access digital textbooks. 1. Technical support. To address the issue of technical issues, schools can provide technical support to students, such as help desk support or troubleshooting guides. This can help students overcome any technical issues they may encounter while using digital textbooks. 1. Promoting healthy digital habits. To address the health concerns associated with digital devices, schools can promote healthy digital habits, such as taking regular breaks, practicing good posture, and reducing screen time. Additionally, schools can provide information on how to adjust the settings on devices to reduce eye strain and other health concerns. 1. Digital literacy training. To address the issue of digital distractions, schools can provide digital literacy training to students. This can help students understand how to use digital devices more effectively and avoid distractions while studying. Conclusion. In conclusion, digital textbooks are becoming increasingly popular in India, with many schools and colleges adopting them as a more cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to traditional textbooks. While digital textbooks present some challenges, such as access to technology and health concerns, these challenges can be overcome with the right solutions, such as providing access to technology, offering technical support, promoting healthy digital habits, and providing digital literacy training. Overall, digital textbooks offer several advantages, including cost-effectiveness, convenience, customizability, and environmental friendliness, making them a compelling option for students in India. For more videos, stay tuned with us.